Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to another video. Today we have some more carbon fiber goodies from SUMA Performance. And we have this beautiful carbon fiber key fob that they sent out, and I absolutely love how it looks. We also got that SUMA Performance sticker on the inside right there. And here's how it looks on the key itself, and I really like how it turned out. Now for our second mod on the GR86 today, we do have these carbon fiber paddle shifter extensions. Really like how they look, and they are an easy application since they just stick on your OEM paddle shifters with some 3M tape. But anyway, the carbon fiber looks flawless, so I'm excited to see how these turn out. Another cool thing is that the carbon fiber weave matches perfectly to the key fob. So now that we're in the GR86 with this beautiful carbon fiber steering wheel, we will be putting on these paddle shifter extensions to finish off the perfect look. And these just stick on the back of the original paddles like so, and it changes the whole look. So this is what they look like from the side, and the final results look awesome. Thanks again to SUMA Performance for sending these out for the video. I absolutely love how the carbon fiber key fob and paddle shifter extensions turned out. If you guys are interested in checking these out, just head to the link in the description and comment section down below and use code REVOLVEAUTO for 5% off. Make sure you guys drop a like on the video if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.
Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try and catch me when I pull up in a zoom, zoom. Oh, no, please don't make that call. We don't want no calls, they ain't ready for the cause. Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going